Hello, dear listeners. Welcome to our online course. In this series, we will discuss automated machine learning in general and specifically the LightAutoML framework. A typical machine learning pipeline consists of plenty of steps, including data collection, exploratory data analysis, model selection and hyperparameter optimization, and finally model deployment and inference. Turns out that many of these steps may be automated to speed up the entire process of development. So what is automated machine learning, or AutoML for short? If we speak about AutoML in a narrow sense, it is a tool for automatically solving a machine learning problem, while AutoML in a broad sense is a technology that helps us to automate the entire modeling process and other stages, such as data preprocessing, feature selection, model selection, validation, hyperoptimization, monitoring, and model deployment with further inference. And what is LightAutoML, or LAMA for short? It is an open-source framework for AutoML in a broad sense. The target audience of LightAutoML are those who deal with data and machine learning pipelines. These are developers, analysts, and data scientists. LightAutoML provides automated development of a typical machine learning model in 10 minutes on a laptop. The resulting quality is better than the average data scientist can do. The question is, what was the motivation to develop LightAutoML? Firstly, machine learning pipelines have to work with different data types, such as numeric, categorical, raw dates, and even unstructured text. Most of these cases require advanced pre-processing. Secondly, we want the pipeline to be customizable, so we could easily adapt it to our specific task. Thirdly, we want our pipelines to train fast to maintain big data processing. Moreover, we prefer using ML best practices for pipelines. Finally, sometimes the models have to be interpretable so that we can exactly understand why our algorithm predicts this exact value for this specific object. So, what tasks can be solved with LightAutoML? This framework supports supervised learning tasks, including regression and classification, both binary and multi-class. It is capable of handling tabular data, texts, and images. Speaking of the advantages of LightAutoML, the main one is that it is an open-source solution. Everyone interested can use it in their data processing pipelines. The source code is also available at GitHub. Another great advantage is the speed of work of LightAutoML. The AutoML pipelines train notably faster than the competitors. The model development time is reduced by about 10 times, while total time to market reduction is up to 70%. The resulting prediction quality is around the top 10% of data scientists. The developers of LightAutoML used the OpenML benchmark to assess the performance of the framework. This benchmark was introduced at the International Conference on Machine Learning in 2019 and includes 35 datasets for binary and multi-class classification. The quality metrics are ROC and log-loss, respectively. AutoML solutions are compared based on the number of wins on different datasets and average leaderboard position and the mean normalized score. On this slide, you can see the comparison of different solutions for binary classification tasks, with LightAutoML frequently being the top one model. And on this slide, a similar table for multi-class classification is presented. LightAutoML provides wide opportunities for customization as it consists of different presets and modulus, which can be altered or replaced with custom ones if necessary. And the last, but not the least advantage of LightAutoML is the model interpretation. It is possible to interpret the predictions of already trained black box models. For this case, partial dependence plots and individual conditional expectation methods are used. Moreover, there is a special white box preset, which constructs models in a format of interpretable scorecards on top of a weight of evidence features, similar to the one shown on the slide. Such white box models have a minimal loss in quality compared to the black box models. Overall, LightAutoML has many advantages which speed up and simplify the development of machine learning pipelines.